If you wonder if you can adjust button shortcuts on Redmi A5, let me quickly explain. As you go into the settings and take a look around at these settings for anything for shortcuts or button shortcuts, like for example in the accessibility settings, there is nothing actually to set up these shortcuts. So like you can't actually do this, but I found that you can actually go into the where it was system, I believe, and right here there are gestures. As we are here, there we can find the shortcut to quickly open the camera, and as you go in there, we simply have to press quickly 2 times the power button and it will open the camera, and this is the switch to enable this option. And as it is enabled, you can double press the power button, and this is the shortcut to quickly open the camera. But unfortunately you cannot customize it. It only opens the camera and you can't perform any other action. You cannot customize this shortcut at all. But like this is the only way to do this.